Here's a quick and easy walkthrough on how to add custom tokens to your Tangem wallet. Use code Tangem Tutorials for 10% off the purchase of your Tangem wallet. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet. Step 2. Select the network of the token you would like to add. In my case, this is Ethereum. Step 3. Get the token's contract address. I use CoinMarketCap because it's reliable, but this can be gotten from somewhere else. Search for the token you'd like to add and scroll down until you see the contract section selected and copy the contract address. Step 4. Now return to the Tangem app and select Manage Tokens. Click the plus icon in the top right and select the correct network for your token. Step 6. Paste the contract address of your token in the contract address section, and the Tangem Wallet app should autofill the other details. Select the Add Token option, and you're all done. The custom token should show up in your wallet. Please remember to like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment below. Remember to use code Tangem Tutorials for 10% off.